So we've got a couple of new features for Descartes that we merged into master today, and I just wanted to demo those for you real quick. One is a full screen view for dashboards. So if we jump into one of these, we can, just as usual, we can adjust the layout with columns. We can enable refresh mode if we want to. We've got a new button over here for the view, full screen view mode. So if I click on that, it's going to reload the page with all of our same settings, but this time it's going to strip away all of the navigation elements, all the toolbars, etc. So all you're really left with is the title and then all of your graphs. Again, if you've got refresh enabled, it'll continue to reload this. But this is good for large screen displays, for iOS devices, those sorts of things. So this is pretty handy, and that was the first feature. The second one is a new targets editor that we merged a little while ago. And this will actually allow you to, of course, you've been previously able to adjust like the graph level options here in the details panel, but now you can actually adjust the definitions of the graph itself. So if you hit the targets edit button, you get a nice modal here with a Json editor, and as you can see, it's just going to present you with an array of all the targets that make up the actual graph. So it takes the graphite compatible target strings like you'd see in a graphite URL, and you can just edit these on the fly. So you could say add an alias to one of them. If you're actually modifying something visual, you'll actually see it in the graph update real time. So you could change the color. Oops. You could add a line width to that. So you get the idea. Once you're happy with your changes, you just hit the Update Targets button to save, and it'll reload your new settings. We also have a couple of keystroke bindings for this, so you don't have to hit the Targets button. If you're more comfortable with it, you can hit the, on Macs, you can hit the Command Option Enter keystroke, or if you're on a Windows system, you can hit Control Option Enter, and you'll get the same modal. So that's it for today. If you've got any questions or feedback around these new features or anything else in Descartes, you can hit me up on Twitter at obfuscurity, or you can open an issue over at the GitHub Descartes project. Thanks.